What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. And we have Pat here again for another NBA talk. But this time, we're gonna be talking about, looking ahead into the
The
NBA
future.
draft. Oo, the future. Pero top 3 picks lang muna kami kasi may dilemma ako about one of the guys in the top 3. And
Yeah.
the way we're gonna do it is, diba, as of right now, sabi ni Pat, from what he saw, yung mock draft natin is number 1 is Sacramento, number 2 is Indiana, number 3 Brooklyn. Sa Sacramento, okay, so with the number 1 pick. Sacramento Kings. Select blank. So this will just be a quick discussion on who we think could be number one or who
Mhm.
Pat thinks could be number one. Kasi sometimes clash kami ng opinion. Ikaw, Pat, number one pick, Sacramento ka, you secure the number one pick. What, who do you pick and when you pick that player, what do you do right after? Sino number
Okay.
one mo?
Well, given it, okay, if we're gonna follow, okay, wait lang.
Oh, sa mock draft lang,
Hi guys,
assuming
I'm back. So,
back si Pat.
okay. If Sacramento is gonna pick number one, I think they're gonna go with Peterson.
Darren Peterson,
Peterson. Yeah.
despite the missing the games, despite uh
The leg injuries, the cramping.
the cramping. Okay, Peterson pa rin because of the generational talent. They say he's Kobe. They say we're
Kobe,
looking at the
Devin
next Kobe.
Booker.
All in one daw.
Meron pa, Kevin, I think Devin Booker, Kobe, tapos I forgot the other one. But yeah, those kinds of player.
There's a 6'4" guy.
I
six
even,
four, six
no,
five.
actually, 6'6", 6'5".
Si Darren Peterson.
Yeah.
Okay.
I even saw something online na Tyrese Maxey in the body of SGA.
Tyrese Maxey in the body of SG. Not bad din kung yan yung
Yeah, yun ang mga nakikita ko online. No? So, yeah, they might be tripping pero he's that good na ganun yung mga
okay.
comparison niya. So, yeah, why do I think they would go with the next best shooting guard of this generation daw, no? Well, they can't go with Boozer kasi paano ba to? They're developing Maxime.
Si Maxim.
They
Yeah,
have
galing
their
ni
rookie,
Reyno eh, no?
'di
Biglang
ba?
relevant si Maxim
'Di ba?
Reyno.
Their rookie big. They have their veteran guards na I think I have a very good feeling na they're gonna trade them away na.
Masa-trade na si ano no, si okay, so if the number one picks is with Sacramento, I feel like then it
Mhm.
looks like a Darren Peterson. Tapos ang mangyayari, Pat, iti-trade na nila si DeMar and Zach. Kung may takers, pero feel ko they let
And
go of them for bad ano na eh. Like alam mo yung
backup
they're selling at a loss na.
mm. Baka picks or role players, 'di ba? Tapos 'di ba sa bonus din sa mga trade talks din. So, baka total rebuild na talaga to. They have Keegan Murray who plays small forward, power forward. So kaya talaga I don't think talaga there's really
Reyno, Keegan, uh
Darren.
Darren. Solid three.
And
Sino pa
and
ba? Who else are
'di
we
ba
missing
'di
sa
ba
corner?
right now because of the silly season, it's the Devin Carter is playing well. I don't know if they're gonna include him sa main core.
Oh, pero
Pero
I'll include Devin Carter there. Gumagawa sila ni Nick
yeah,
Clifford. Pero
exactly.
mukha silang, well, one of them has to start alongside Darren,
Even if wala, they're gonna trade away DeRozan, Zach, and
Davin,
and
and
then 'di
Domats.
ba
Si Domats.
Si Sabonis 'di ba kasama na sa trade talks yan. I'm sure they're gonna figure things out, but as of
You have
now
to
baka
sell at a
big three
loss, bro.
nila would be Darren, Keegan, and Maxime.
Good
I think yeah.
foundation. Good
Yeah.
foundation.
Kasi they have Keegan, so they may look past Cameron Boozer. For me, another generational talent, 'di ba?
Okay, let's now move on to number two.
Yeah.
Are with the Indiana Pacers. I'll start, Pat. I'll start.
Go.
I'll
Ay,
start
pareho tayo
here.
dito for sure. Wait.
Talaga? Oh, sige,
Go ba?
tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Ewan ko sa'yo. Teka
Sige
lang.
na nga, ikaw naman, ikaw na.
With the number two pick, the Indiana Pacers select AJ
Yeah,
Dibansa.
I knew it.
Okay, kala ko boozer ka eh.
Yeah,
Kala ko, wait lang, nasa na...
mas fan ka nga ni AJ kay Darren Peterson, kaya sure ako AJ ka dun eh.
Yeah, pero for a Sacramento team, pwede mo rin sabihin yung angle na yun. Because you can say, we're letting go of Domantas Sabonis. It kind of opens up for AJ Debanza. And the AJ Debanza can actually shoot it from three. He can play
Yeah.
alongside Reyno, although in 3.9 attempts no in
Comparison,
college, 36% in college. But he has a shoot. He has a shot. I'm not saying na he's like James
yeah.
Wiseman na exclusively uh in the paint.
Actually, yung comparison sa kanya is ano daw eh. Uh, Tracy McGrady.
Yeah, I know. A 6'10
Tracy
Tracy
McGrady.
McGrady. What?
So that's like, again, that's like Kevin Durant. Mga ganyan. 'Di
Yes,
ba?
pero
Something like
AJ
that,
Deba,
okay?
have you seen
Something like
AJ
that.
Debanza's
Yeah.
body? He's more mas buo compared to a KD coming from Texas.
Yeah, mas buo yung body niya, but uh in this day and age hindi pa nga daw NBA ready compared kay na
Mm.
Boozer. Pero of course, Giannis came in the league na parang ting-ting lang, 'di ba? So, maliit na bagay. I think the Indiana pick na AJ would really do well for them. Imagine Halliburton running alongside AJ and then yung mga love niya.
Oh, bro.
And then
Bagay siya sa... And I feel like Indiana's going back to at least the Eastern Conference Finals with a healthy squad, ah. Because lumalaban naman yung team nila ngayon ng walang... Pero galing ng prediction mo dun, no?
'di ba?
Talagang Indiana's like down there.
Hey guys, I kept receipts. Just kidding.
Pero
But
sobrang ano,
but
the
imagine
Spurs
this.
proved us wrong, no? The Spurs are like
Su-
way up there.
Super. We already predicted na play-in team. So kaya, pero hindi natin in-expect na
Top
top
3,
3,
top
top
5,
4
top
sila
5.
ganyan, 'di ba?
Oh.
But yeah, imagine na lang Zubac,
Oh,
Pascal,
they have Zubac. Zubac,
AJ on
Pascal.
the 3, and then sinong shooting guard nila? Nawala na si Mathurin eh. But sige, kahit sino pa yan. Oh no, though they sometimes they play Halliburton and Nembhard together. 'Di ba?
Yeah, pwede. That could work.
'Di ba? So, imagine that five, killer five na yan.
Dude, may J-Huff ka pa, may Aaron Nesmith. Aaron Nesmith is still there. He's
Yeah,
the 2.
2-3 siya, 'di ba? So minor
Obi
adjustments, but I
Toppin.
think this squad madaling makaka-adjust sa NBA type of play si AJ.
Indiana sounds perfect for him.
Next year, maganda yung ano natin for next season, yung predictions natin for next season.
Di rin, feel ko, I think we'll miss one of the few teams na,
Yeah, of
bro,
course,
I'm
but
putting Jazz sa play-in. I'm putting him at 7-8.
definitely
At the
because of
very least, that's their floor.
the development of Keontae, and then of
Jaren,
course
Lowry,
si Collier
Ace.
is fighting. Ako 'di ba sinabi ko before, si Collier talaga ang point guard nila, but yung revelation kay Keontae, imagine those two
Ibang
together,
klase. Ay,
'di ba?
Keontae George.
Top
Rookie
oh
auto. Keontae.
shoot.
249. 18 na 49.
But yeah,
Na,
tapos meron ka pang hindi Twin Towers eh. Triple tower yun eh. JJJ,
Filipowski.
Laurie. No, the quad na yun. Kessler, we forgot about
Oo nga pala
Kessler.
si Walker
Napilay
Kessler.
ng first month eh.
Dude, ang deep ng Jazz din, if you think
Tapos
about
they
it.
have yung ano mo, elder statesman mo si Kevin Love.
Do you think they're gonna retain him pa? You need vet presence, no? For
That presence,
locker.
yeah, malay mo, he agrees to a minimum or something
I
like
feel
that.
like if he sees the potential, of course he'll coach.
I think
He'll be a
I can
presence
wait
for
another
sa
1 year,
JJJ.
pwede pa. And ano mid-30s pa lang siya. 'Di ba?
Still is old as
He
fuck,
looks old
man.
because of the white hair.
The white
But
hair. Pero
but
model
yeah.
yun, di ba? Nag-model si Kevin Love for like Armani ba yun or something? Oh,
Oh, did
anyway.
he? But yeah, but
Yung
yun,
mo-search mo mamaya.
yun yung forgetting about Ace Bailey pa.
I said Ace Bailey naman.
Oh.
So,
But anyway, yun yung Indiana
okay.
team.
Indian. AJ Debanza.
Yeah. Well, obvious na to guys. Third pick.
Pero ito sige,
Go.
let's go through this one muna. So then we'll discuss different orders na. Pero
Alright.
pasadahan na yun.
Sige.
Ito yung parang according to the mock drafts right now na ito if the lottery started today.
Yeah.
Brooklyn, of course, Cam Boozer. Si Cam Boozer naman. Wait, Cam Boozer.
Cam Boozer is averaging 22.5, 10 rebounds, and 4 assists per game.
That's the ano, he's the best, he's a great passer
Actually,
for a
yun nga,
front court player.
ang promo kay Boozer is
Yeah, what are we looking at?
his IQ and NBA ready body.
Who are we comparing him to? What are his comps?
Ito nga, Al Horford.
Al Horford na athletic
Yeah.
and
'Di ba si Horford like strong body, good footwork, ganyan-ganyan.
saktong mobile lang.
Hmm.
He's
Yeah.
still kind of stiff.
Yun yung con ni Boozer.
Mm,
He's athletic but not that athletic. Basically, yung vertical pop niya
mm,
is not that good. So, for a 6'9" power forward, he's averaging less than a block per game. So, yun yung
mm.
worry ng teams sa kanya. Kasi baka hindi siya rim protector. First of all, 6'9" in this day and age, medyo undersized sa ilalim. 'Di ba? Because of those unicorns, ganyan. Pero yung vertical pop niya, hindi elite. So, but he's
I
gonna make up for that naman, 'di ba, sa
I
ibang.
I watched his highlights definitely this way. We started this video.
Mhm.
May pagka Paolo Banchero vibe siya that can pass. Pero
Yeah,
not
pwede.
as pagka Paolo B, no? Maybe
Meron pa ako naisip ngayon.
sino?
Hindi lang kasing high flyer nitong taon to, but another revelation this year. Parang Jalen Johnson siya.
Jalen Johnson. Okay, yeah, okay. Jalen Johnson,
Mas
Mga
mas
Duke
mas
boys to
mobile lang
na
talaga, mas agile si Jalen Johnson.
ano, athletic ni Jalen, no? Could
Mm.
fly. That dude, like,
Yun nga daw yung wala kay Cameron Boozer.
yeah, that's the cons, no? Dun
Yeah.
sa
Mm.
what we have
Maybe
read,
that's
what we have
why
seen.
he's been breaking records in the NCAA. And then yun nga, double-double average. Tapos I think first to hit 175 points in ganyan-ganyan. Pero yun nga, hindi siya that agile, and then yung vertical pop niya kaya na overtake siya nung dalawa kanina. Pero ang tanong ko dito, dude, iniisip ko na lang talaga ito kanina pa. Paano mangyayari sa Brooklyn? Ang kalat nun. 'Di ba? Um, they're trying to trade away MPJ.
Mm.
Nick Claxton plays well with MPJ. Are they gonna trade away Claxton as well? Sila sila Clowney, sila Wolf, sila Sharp. Believe ka ba sa kanila? I mean, okay ba? Kasi hindi ko talaga nakikita okay yung core
Brooklyn, yung
nila or
Brooklyn
yung
boys na yun.
chemistry.
Okay,
Talagang,
so with that
okay.
Brooklyn, ano
Alam mo ba,
I
my
mean,
brother
you get
lives
the
in New
best
York.
talent. Oh, ano sabi niya?
Pinamimigay na lang daw talagang tickets ng Brooklyn. Like,
Hey,
courtside.
I'll take that.
Pinamimigay siya. So, even the people there, wala na yatang hope sa kanila. So, okay, baka Messiah si Cameron Boozer, but
He'll bring excitement. He'll bring
I don't
excitement to
know how they're
Brooklyn.
gonna make it work. I don't know. Sinong point guard nila? Si, who's that guy? Traore? Did I say it
Si
correctly?
Traore, si Nolan Traore. And
Um,
Diomin din,
ayun,
the
yun,
Danny
yun.
Wolf. Pero si Traore ngayon yung parang biglang, oh, this is the right rookie. Pag sa cards, di ba?
Ah.
Oh, pag na-pull mo si Nolan Traore, ito, the guy can facilitate.
Who's the Russian again? Who's the Russian?
Russian?
The white guy.
Diomin? Si
Yeah,
Yegor Diomin?
isn't
I'm
he
not sure if
Russian?
he's Russian.
I
Wait.
think I know
Egor
he's Russian.
Demin. Oh, he's a Russian basketball player.
Yeah. Yeah,
Sounds
actually galing.
Turkish.
Actually believe ako sa kanya.
Mm-mm.
Super yung shooting niya wild. Uh
He
yeah,
was from
pwede.
BYU. Brigham Young to si Yegor Diomin.
Yeah. Well, tingnan natin anong mangyayari sa kanila. But yun nga lang, I just feel na watching them now ang kalat nila. Well, maybe it's because they're tanking. Pero even MPJ, yung hype and yung galing niya nung first half of the season, biglang, oh my God, nasa na to? Wala na. But there, the top three
Okay.
guys.
Um, before we end this. Pero if
You're
you
saying
if
something about
oh, ito nga, we'll end it this way.
changing
If
pieces.
Indiana and Brooklyn are number one, Indiana will not get Peterson. I don't think they're gonna get Peterson. That's gonna mess up the culture they already
Yeah,
have.
ball heavy, ano yan? Ball
Ball
dominant.
dominant.
Ball heavy.
Ball
Ball
dominant.
dominant masyado. Tunnel vision. Yun naman yung con kay Peterson. Pero of course, if you're comparing him to Kobe and
You
well,
don't
not
need
even
him
Booker nga
to
namamasa eh. Yeah, if
oh,
you're comparing him to Kobe, talagang tunnel
okay
vision
lang.
yan.
Oh.
Talagang, pero
Pero si Hali kasi point mo, pero meron na silang na-build na culture na would you include them to this Indiana core na they have built something that's been to the finals and then potentially disrupt it? I mean, yun yung ano eh, half glass point
hmm.
of view. Kasi you can say half filled na he's just gonna elevate them even further, di ba? Depende eh. Depende anong tingin mo kay
Yeah, well,
Peterson eh.
actually pwede, no? Since tama yung sinabi mo, point guard si ano eh, si Hali eh. Pero, kita mo talaga si si Peters hindi na mamasa. Hindi talaga
Hindi
siya
talaga.
napapasa. And Hali needs the ball to work. I mean, siya yung ball dominant pero ibapasa niya sa'yo. 'Di ba? Hindi mo naman there are times na nangyayari pero I don't think catch and shoot guy si Hali.
Yeah, Hali is can do catch and shoot, but Hali is a shifty guard na
Mhm.
who would play make first. Hindi bang yung knock kay Hali is that sometimes ayaw niya mag-shoot. Parang tumira ka naman.
Exactly. Exactly.
Di
So
ba?
ano yan? So that was if number one si Indiana. If number one si Brooklyn, if number one si Brooklyn,
They'll go for Peterson. They
I
wanna
think they'll
revive
go
that
for
ano eh.
Peterson.
Oh.
They
So the
will go
only
definitely. They will definitely go for Peterson kasi ang dami nilang bigs ngayon. Ang dami nilang bigs ngayon. May
sinaklaw ni
yeah,
Sharp.
yeah. Oo, oo.
Pero they could all, it's not like they're stars.
No, they're
Pero
not.
mas
Actually,
they
yun na nga
rather
eh.
go for
Feeling
the
ko ang
ano.
kalat lang nila eh.
Ang
They're
kalat
gonna go
nga
for
nila, Brooklyn.
they're gonna go for the sabi nga nila
Pero
generational
bro,
talent. The next
MPJ and
Kobe, di
Darren
ba?
Peterson. Woo!
Yeah. Pero if they're gonna go for Darren Peterson, they're gonna trade Igor or off the bench Igor, 'di ba?
Yeah, I mean, Jaeger can develop non off the bench. Not like he's a star that needs to play now.
Yeah, pero feeling ko kasi if bubuo ako ng team, siya yung
Si Traore, papastart ko.
pero
Traore,
oo naman.
Peterson.
Pero si Jaeger yung kailangan kong nandun na white boy shooter.
Stabilizer.
Oo, 'di ba? Yung mga ganon. Sino ba yung
Ayan.
parang Knuckle?
Iba naman si Con. Ay, pero
Pero
then
ibang
again,
level si
wala
Con.
naman naka-expect
Si
kay
Con
Con nung...
nagke-create. 'Di ba nagke-create si Con?
Oh bro, may
Galing.
3-4 assists. Nasa'yo pa rin ba yun? Nakanino na yun?
Of course, di ko nabibitawan yun.
Di ba na binitawan si Con, no?
Hindi na, hindi kasi
Si Trey Murphy ba na binitawan mo? Nasa'yo pa?
bumalik na siya eh.
Bumalik na rin.
He's
Gumagawa
playing
bigla.
na. Ang inaano ko ngayon si Alex Sarr. Sabi week on week daw eh. So,
Dude, Trey Young's back. So that means they want to
yeah,
see some Trey Young to star action.
I'm sure they're gonna let him play pa. But yeah, there. Ano ba?
Yun na
If
yun.
if yeah, number one
Yeah, tatlo
Indiana.
lang naman eh. Yun
Sila
lang
lang.
naman. Oh yeah, guys, let us know. Sino yung top 3 picks you assuming na we're gonna follow the Sacramento, Indiana, Brooklyn
Mhm.
kind of order. Let us know. Pat and I will see that. We'll comment. And as
And
always, follow.
do you think Wilson and Flemings can or will overtake them? Oh, di
Oh,
ba?
actually, if you have a different tree,
Mhm.
let us know. Sana naman wag completely different tree kasi parang, do you watch basketball,
Feeling
bro?
ko merong isa diyan na matatanggal sa
May
ibang
isang
tao.
matatanggal.
Ah,
May isang
yeah.
matatanggal. Pero all three, ibababa mo yan. Parang
Hindi,
asa naman na.
malabo yun. Malabo yun. Yan
Oh,
yung mga
oh.
yan yung mga Bleacher Report na posts na mid-season if you were to do it all over again. Yung mga
Yeah,
ganyan.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Pero now, I think 2 out of 3 is a solid lock
May
dun sa tatlo
dalawang
na yon.
lock.
Yeah.
May isang,
Yeah.
pwede mag 4-5. Pero hindi naman nasasabi na banus sila. I'm just saying na medyo
Yung
deep
ano
din
nga
tong
eh,
2026
'di ba
class.
ang sabi nila si Darren Peterson stock is dropping because of he doesn't want to play
Attitude.
daw. Attitude parang there was a
Ben
game 'di ba
Simmons.
na first half nagpa-sub na siya. Parang 18 points na yata siya noon. Biglang nagpa-sub na siya, hindi na siya bumalik. May mga ganun daw siya eh. Plus, well, ito yung kasi, dude, he's earning $4 million a year already.
Sa NIL, no? So
Sa
parang feel mo
NIL niya.
nag-iingat-ingat na.
'Di ba? Siguro, malaking bagay yun eh. Imagine, before, as a college student, you're really gonna play every second kasi you want to get into the league. Ito,
Ito kasi
feeling ko
kumikita na sila.
sa utak niya, kahit di ako makapag-NBA, set na ako may $4 million a year. 'Di ba?
Pwede. Pero pangit na attitude na yun, bro. Once you get the bag.
Yan yung mga ano, yan yung mga bust. I don't know, guys, if you, I'm sure everyone knows this movie, yung, yung kay ano, yung kay, who's that guy? Si Kevin Costner, yung Draft Night,
Oo, alam ko yun, draft
'di
night.
ba? Bust daw si ano, Callahan because of attitude. So, I don't know, baka may ganyan dito, 'di ba?
And sa tagal natin watching the NBA, usually pag may attitude, they usually fail. Si Kobe lang feel ko yung may attitude na talagang nagstay. Because
Kasi
Kobe is an
yung
attitude.
attitude ni Kobe kasi sinalian mo ng ano, I
Killer
want to win.
mentality. Oo, killer
I
mentality.
will win, 'di ba? Yun yung ano niya eh, yung kabwakawan niya turned it into something good.
Hindi yung attitude na I'm good na. Wag na tayo mag-try. 'Di ba may mga gano'n na I'm good na. I got the bag.
Oo, ang daming ganon, ang daming ganon.
Ang daming ganun nga. Anyway, yun lang.
Yes,
Let
sir.
us know guys what you think.
Yeah.
Follow 5 star rating Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you all next time. Nico here with Pat.
Bye, guys.